thought you were gonna freaking do a clutch kick or something.
I don't know what that is.
You're gonna send us sideways, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to let Chloe drive my drift car, my AU Falcon. You excited? She's not excited.
I'm not excited.
Why not?
Because it's manual.
Oh yeah, so she doesn't know how to drive manual too. So not only is she going to drive my AU Falcon for the first time, my drift car, she is going to learn how to drive manual for the first time. In one of the other videos, Chloe managed to get the channel 2 million views. So I said that if we hit 1 million views, I would take her out for dinner, and that's what I did. I took her out to a really fancy restaurant, so she actually got a dinner. All those comments keep telling me to take her out to a restaurant because it got 1 million views. Don't worry, I did that, guys. We happy?
Well, but the dinner.
Yes.
Yeah, it was good. It was nice. It was delicious.
It was expensive
so
as fuck. If this video gets 1 million views, what are we gonna do? We're gonna top that one.
You're gonna buy me that cat I want.
Cat? No, I'm not buying you a cat. No.
Ugh, fine.
Nope.
Pay for a holiday? As you said last time, and then you took it back.
Yeah, well, the holiday's a bit much.
Well, then what's just above dinner and below holiday? I don't know, cat holiday. That's what I'm here for.
No, we're not getting you a cat. Can maybe see it all the way back?
All the way back?
Mm-hmm.
What, just show everyone how far back? That's all the way back?
Mm-hmm.
My feet are nowhere near the pedals.
Alright, so firstly
No,
we're going to get her familiar with the pedals. So you need that, your foot needs to be able to fully compress. No, you can move forward.
Oh my god, why am I so short? Ow! That's as far forward as I can go. I literally can't go forward any further.
Really? Can you put your foot in the clutch all the way? Yeah, kind of. Show us the clutch. Push. Leg fully extended.
It actually kind of hurts to extend my leg this
Really?
much. Yes, I'm pushing my toe as well.
Using your toes.
Yeah, I'm genuinely too short to drive this.
Oh man.
You're gonna have to do a full readjustment of your setup
Yeah,
when you get back in.
I know. We're changing it up because the camera was way too close. Way too close. Hopefully you can actually still see me.
I'm so close to the wheel right
All right. Yeah, I know you're so close to the wheel. Wait, let's show them how close you are to the wheel. Oh my
I
god.
don't have a choice. This car isn't built for short people.
Here you go.
It's built for enormous weirdos. Like him. I can't help it.
So you're gonna make sure that it's in neutral. We're gonna row through the gears first.
Okay.
All right. So you're gonna go first gear. So clutch in. First gear. No.
I'm trying. As far as I can go. Will it work if the car's
it's left
over?
and then up.
Yeah, I thought I was doing it.
There you go. That's first gear.
No.
Yeah.
I think I was doing that, so.
Now it's in neutral. Check.
Oh, my leg
You already
hurts.
know how to do this? Yep. She kind of knows. She's got a little bit of knowledge because we tried to teach her ages ago.
And
but
also, he just drives neutral. I mean, not neutral. Manual, a lot.
sometimes I'm like, shift the gears for me, please.
And I say no.
Because I'll be like
'cause
holding
I'm
like a drink or
terrified.
something. I don't know.
I would rather hold a drink than change the gears, though, because I feel like changing gears is a lot of responsibility.
It's not.
It is.
No.
It is.
Okay.
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 Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to put your clutch in. And you're going to put in first.
Okay.
Okay.
Do I have to brake?
No.
No?
The handbrake. So handbrake down. You're not going to roll or anything.
This one?
Yep.
I don't know.
Handbrake down. Okay. Clutch in. First. Are you sure you're not close? Can you go closer?
I can move my butt closer. That's a little bit more comfortable. That's why I asked to put something behind my butt.
I don't know. Maybe this towel. This weird towel. Is it comfy?
Oh, it's wet.
Yep. Now,
Yeah.
you have to let go of the clutch really slowly.
How slowly?
Like very. So until you feel it move a little bit, just keep holding it and then release. All right? So just let go of the clutch slowly. You'll feel it move. Just keep going, but don't fully release. Never fully release it. Slowly, slower, slower. Slower, 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 slower. Nah, see? Ah.
I tried.
See how I said, remember how I said don't fully release it? That's what you did just
I?
then. Yes. So
It
now
didn't take
clutch in,
much. Oh, clutch in?
neutral. Yep, now stop the car again.
Okay.
Okay. So, clutch in, first gear.
Clutch in,
First gear.
first gear.
Now slowly again and get that stage where it's moving slowly, and then when it's moving, then you let go of it a bit more.
And now?
A little bit more, but slow, but always slow. Ah, you got it. See?
Oh, nice.
There you go. Now you're driving in first. So
Cool.
if you want to come to a stop, you got to put the clutch in and then brake. But
Okay.
yeah, you can accelerate in first. That's fine. Slowly though. And remember that I got a lock kit as well, guys. So the smallest movements of the steering wheel
I truly
moves
don't
the
know what that
entire
means.
car. So you'll notice when you're turning around, you don't need to move the steering wheel much. Look.
Should I indicate?
No, just don't.
Oh,
You're in a
yeah?
big car park. It's alright. Just do it. Go over. See? See? You barely move the wheel and it moves.
Yeah, I know. I don't
How
like
weird
it.
is that?
Ah,
You don't like it?
so bright.
Yeah, it is pretty bright.
Fuck. Okay, I gotta keep
Yeah,
moving.
just go to the shade again.
Yeah, I gotta keep moving.
Yep, gotta keep moving.
Okay.
So bright. There we go. Maybe you put change this thing. I don't know. There we go.
Alright, now what?
So maybe you can get in second gear, but you gotta go a bit faster though.
Okay.
So you're gonna put the clutch in,
Okay.
and you're gonna let go of the revs. So clutch in,
Clutch in. Clutch in.
and second gear.
Second gear.
Yep. Now revs a bit, and no. No, put in neutral.
Okay.
No, you're going too slow now.
Oh,
You lost all your
okay.
speed.
Well,
Alright, that's okay. Now come to a stop, press your brakes. Yep. Now
Okay.
first gear again. Okay. The goal by the end of this video is to get her on the road. So hopefully there's a roundabout
What?
over there. Yeah, I want you to drive the roundabout because then you can hear the diff go. It's really loud.
I don't know if I'm gonna go through that thing that we came through though.
Nah, you'll be right. Okay, now again, slow until you feel it moving. You know that feeling?
No.
Keep going. Slow. Oh, you're pro!
You're welcome.
See? Now she's confident.
Whee! It's a lot easier
So-
now that I can drive.
Yeah, exactly.
I'll say that much.
Okay.
I'm way too close.
going-
This steering wheel
that's
is huge.
Well then,
Blah.
you might have to move back then.
Should I move my? Well, if
keep
I
going,
move
keep
my.
going.
If I
Maybe
move,
we can get out of here. It's okay.
now?
Yeah.
No,
so
not yet.
no,
not yet.
we can.
No, not yet. I'm
Not
good.
yet. Okay.
I'm good.
Not good yet. All right.
Not good
We'll get
enough
out of
yet.
here, guys. Soon. So
Whee!
clutch in, let go of the accelerator. Second. Now clutch out. Oh, you did it way too hard, but you're lucky that the wheel speed matched up.
Whee!
You got to be slow when you let the clutch out. You're
Okay.
lucky as just then.
Oh, maybe I'm just
So lucky.
really good.
I don't know about that.
Wow. Harsh.
So now she's in second. So I want you to.
Whee! Hi.
Oh my god, you're actually going kind of fast. Chill, just chill, alright? Far out.
Fine.
Woo! A lot of cars in here in this car park. I mean, there's not really that many. I'm just scared because you're driving.
Good. You should be scared. Finally. Now you know how it
Alright,
feels.
clutch in, brake. So if you need
Clutch in
and brake.
and brake.
Don't let go of the clutch. So that's how you
Okay.
stop. So don't let go of the clutch.
Okay.
So you need to put in neutral now.
Okay.
You're
Oh
rolling-
God,
you're-
we're moving.
Yeah, because the diff.
Jesus
it's
Christ.
pushing us back. Yes.
This car is terrifying. Saved it.
I'm pretty surprised. Not gonna lie.
Saved it. No. So close.
Oh, brake. Yep.
Fuck.
Yep. Okay.
Oh, this
so
is the
neutral.
worst place. Yep. Okay.
Now start it.
Dang it.
Like baby stalls. Come on. Try again.
Okay.
I was getting worried that
Fine.
you're going to be too good and it wouldn't make for an interesting video, but it's good that you're stalling.
You're saying I'm not too good? Oh, that's harsh.
It's good that she's bad, guys.
Harsh, guy. It's really harsh.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, damn. All right.
Whee! See you later, bitches.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Ah!
Yeah, keep going. Oh.
Oh, okay.
Ah.
Oh no, there's a person.
It's all right. Remember, clutch and a brake, all right? Clutch and
Okay.
brake if you need to stop.
Clutch and brake. Can I just keep going?
Well, you know how to drive. No, keep going straight if you want.
Oh, I'll keep going straight. Okay. Fine. Oh my god.
You're a pro.
How am I doing this?
I don't know. Brake here. Come to a stop. Yeah, because there's a bump. Yep. Now clutch in.
Now what?
Go. Take off. Yeah, there you go. Otherwise there's a hill. You don't want to stop on the hill, otherwise you'll have to learn how this hill start, and that's a bit tricky. There you go. Oh god, I thought you were gonna freaking do a clutch kick or something.
I don't know what that is.
Freaking gonna send us sideways, guys.
Oh, what the f?
Yeah. At least they're baby stalls. They're not like.
They're delicate. This is so exhausting.
You wanna rip the hydro?
No.
Why not?
Because.
Do you guys want to hit the fucking hydro?
Nope. Sorry.
Touch it. All right. Yeah, you feel that. Oh.
No.
Oh.
I'm doing so well. Bye.
Okay, just to make this extra complicated, you're gonna rip the hydro. Alright, go. So when I say you're gonna clutch in, then you're gonna pull the hydro, alright? And you're gonna keep the clutch in.
Wait, when?
Huh?
When? Now. Do I have to put it in gear?
Yeah, so we're gonna drive, clutch in, and just let the thing coast, and then you're gonna pull as hard as you can, okay?
Okay. And why is this making it harder for me?
Just for fun.
Oh, because I'm too good?
Yeah, because you're too good, so we're gonna have to do something interesting. Now clutch in.
Yep.
Now grab the handbrake, go. Nah, like, yep. Nah. You gotta go faster and you gotta grab it harder. You gotta grab it hard. So clutch in and then yank
Can't you
it.
just yank it for me?
No.
I don't think I can yank it very hard.
You can. Just gotta yank it hard. So
Okay.
clutch in and then yank, alright?
Clutch and yank.
Make sure the clutch is in, alright?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go a little bit
So
faster.
a bit faster, yep. Now clutch in. Oh
Is that it? Is that what you wanted?
yeah, I guess so.
I can't yank it very hard.
We got the
Plus my
wheels to look
seat's in the way.
Oh
my god! That was a lot better than I expected.
Yes, I think you were way better than we both expected.
Yeah. Especially after last time. Last time I could barely, like I kept like stalling, like the entire time I drove last time.
Now guys, I'm not too sure if I mentioned it in a previous video before this one because we're doing Vlogmas, the timing is all over the place, but next Friday, the 9th of December, we're taking the AU Falcon drifting at Keep It Read at Calder.
And I'm doing it.
No, she's not doing it. Chloe will be there running the stall hopefully. So yeah, come down, say hello. We're gonna bring the Chaser, the AU.
And I'll be driving the Chaser.
No, she will not be driving the Chaser.
Because I'm amazing at manual driving.
I mean, you could probably get it there maybe, I don't know. But
I doubt it.
so, there you go. What do you think Chloe should drive next? The Chaser or the Tough Rig? Which one do you want to drive? If you had to pick one, which one would you pick?
Like I would have an easier time reaching the pedals in the Chaser.
Probably. The Chaser's easier to drive, I reckon. Tough Rig next time?
I can barely get into the Tough Rig.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more of Chloe, subscribe. Yeah, Vlogmas. Very excited.
Vlogmas.
Yeah, Vlogmas.
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 Give us a...
That's tomorrow?
No. Oh yeah, probably. I don't know.
Well, today's... Yeah. Thanks. I'll see you when I next see you, I guess. Bye-bye.